stretch yourself too thin. You know how everybody needs you. This person needs you. This person wants you to do that. And the third, why are you laughing? No, seriously, like she's laughing, but she one of them people that be needing me too.
Because I'm your daughter.
But no, on a real tip, right? Everybody needs you. Everybody wants you to do this, go with them to do this, do that, do this, and the third. You know, it's a lot when you kind of stretch yourself thin to be there for other people. And then at the end of the day, you feel like so tired and worn out because you run yourself ragged. Anyway, basically, you know, you just kind of run yourself in the ground trying to be everything to and for everybody, and you don't get to take care of yourself the way you need to take care of yourself. You know what I mean? You don't get the opportunity to relax or lay down or just do nothing. Like, I can't remember the last time I've had a weekend where I really just did absolutely nothing. So it's just like every weekend or whatever, I'm so preoccupied. I always have something to do. If it's not for my businesses, you know, which is, I understand, which is understandable. The only time I get to work for myself or anything like that is on the weekend because I work a full-time job. But it gets to be overwhelming when you have that type of stuff to do on the weekend, and then you also have to be there for other people at the same time who need you to do things, and you don't necessarily have the time, but you don't want to say no. Like, I'm one of those people, it's very hard for me to say no. I wish I was a person that knew how to say no more often, but I'm just not. I'm like, okay, yeah, or I'm gonna try to make it work. And so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, but dang, I also need to do this and that. And then I start to just feel like overwhelmed and stressed out. And before I know it, it's Monday again. The work week has started, and I haven't taken care of really what I wanted to take care of because I've been being everybody's everything. Yeah, in a nutshell, basically, at some point in time, you have to just kind of take care of yourself. You know, you have to start putting yourself first, even if that makes other people mad. You just kind of have to be in a place where you can, you know, do what you need to do for you, because at the end of the day, your health is important, your sanity is important, my sanity is important, even though I sometimes feel like I don't have any. Like, I'm just all over the place because it just really feels like chaotic to me right now. So I really need to restructure and reorganize some things to kind of get some structure and some organization going on in my life, and a lot of that is going to be really just focusing on myself in a nutshell. I hate to close like my Etsy shop down. My Etsy shop is a lot because it keeps me, like, when I'm come home from work, I go straight to the office. On the weekend, I have to be in the office. It keeps me busy, but it's also an extra source of income, so it's kind of hard to say I'm going to shut my Etsy shop down when that's my business and I'm working like a slave at my real company to continue to make him a millionaire. You know what I mean? So why shut your own business down that's helping to, I ain't nowhere close to being a millionaire, but you know, it's also getting me to a point of hopefully where one day I can do it full time, but right now it's just a lot. So anyway, I got a lot of things to figure out, but one of them, like I said, is to start putting me first and taking some time out to relax and to just have some downtime where I'm not doing anything. I'm not working for anything. I'm not working for myself. I'm absolutely doing nothing. Even if it's just laying in the bed looking at the ceiling in the dark. I need to do that. Yep. I mean, for real, like,
that retainer.
It doesn't matter. I don't care about the retainer. And if you guys feel I'm talking funny, I do have my retainer in. I have to start wearing it because I need to go to the dentist within the next 2-3 weeks and get a permanent retainer put in the back because this one is broke, and they're also going to make me a mold for a new retainer so that I can start sleeping in it at night and it can push all of my teeth back together, but the permanent retainer is going to hold them together because it broke. Braces. So yeah, and she wants braces. She needs braces. She has teeth like I had when I was a little kid, so I do have to get her braces too. Yeah, you'll have braces by the time you get to be a sophomore in high school.
My mom braces this year. I'm not.
But she doesn't have this year money, do you?
But that's what you said.
Exactly. Thank you.
But that's what you said.
No, you don't have this year money.
But you said 9th grade.
Whatever.
You said I should have them off by 12th grade prom. You said I should have them off by 12th grade prom.
Yeah, you only have to wear them for 2 years, Shaylin. So yeah, guys, a lot of things on my list, a lot of to-do things. But anyway, now which will be a separate vlog. I just started talking to you guys because I just felt like on my chest. But we are about to go Christmas shopping, and then later on I'm gonna do some things for my aunt. It's actually gonna be 2 separate videos because I've been showing you guys the bathroom renovations in her house, and then also you know, like a Christmas shop with me, so you guys can see everything that's going on in the stores and all the pretty stuff that they have out, because they do have some really nice things out, and I'm still trying to decide, you know, what I want my themes to be in both of my rooms with the Christmas trees. So yeah, but anyway, I am outside of my aunt's house, and I will talk to you guys in the next Car Chronicles. Just remember to love yourself, take care of yourself. Sometimes it's okay to put yourself first, because your health, your sanity, and livelihood is very important as it is for the other people in your life who you're trying to keep theirs up for. You know what I mean? So, alright, I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.